Good morning, AP Gov students. Mr. Eller here. Happy Monday, January 4th. Good to see you guys. Hopefully you're doing well. I hope you had a great break, and I hope to see you today in the live session. Anyway, if you're watching this, you're probably not joining us live, but I'll walk you through what we're going to do together live, and then hopefully that's an encouragement to join. Okay? So anyway, our learning target is the same. Geez, we've been on this one for a while. It is, I can explain how the U.S. Constitution protects individual liberties and rights. Today, we're going to look at freedom of the press, okay? So kind of an interesting one for us to look at. I will post this to Google Classroom, and here is where I will link this video anyway, and I will also link it on Classroom. But anyway, that's where you can find this summary. I think it's helpful, at least I've heard from kids that it's helpful. You tell me otherwise, to kind of talk through this agenda with you, rather than just have it posted on Classroom. So our daily instruction is, the first thing you're gonna do is watch this video if you're not attending live, and then you're gonna watch the video that I post. What I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna go through a quick review on freedom of religion. I'm gonna just have one slide up that talks about what the court does and doesn't do as it relates to freedom of religion. Then we're gonna talk a little breaking news / winter break. Obviously, you know, we've had a couple weeks without seeing one another, so there's been lots that's happened in the world. So just a quick recap of what's going on. And then we're going to switch over to some group work on freedom of the press. It's going to be a close look at 4 cases, and they are up here as follows. Okay, I'll post each one of these cases on Google Classroom so that you can look at them. But anyway, there are 4 specific cases that establish some pretty important precedents as it relates to freedom of the press. So you're going to want to read those. Okay. And then we're going to do some notes on freedom of the press, and that lecture will be posted on Google Classroom in what I call the recorded lectures tab. Okay, so let's just jump here quick and let me show you what that looks like on Classroom. So hour 4, it doesn't really matter what hour, they're all the same. But as you can see, I'll post today's stuff right here, and then you'll see here the recorded lectures tab. Okay, here's where I'll post today's lecture. Okay, so let's go back to the agenda quick here. Required reading. Well, shoot, I need to change this, and I'll do it on the fly here. I want you to read chapter 6, okay? And actually, I'm going to change this. Sorry, you'll see it posted. Just go ahead and start reading chapter 6, okay? And then the other homework piece here, besides starting to read chapter 6 in your textbook, is I want you to read the case New York Times v. United States, okay? It's one of the most important freedom of the press cases in our nation's history, and it's a foundational case, so you need to know it for the national exam. Okay. Again, you should have that 15 required SCOTUS cases worksheet with all the hyperlinks to each of the street law summaries of the case. So go ahead and read the case today and then summarize it on your on that worksheet. Okay. Tomorrow we start class by going over that case. Okay. And again, I'll adjust this required reading area here for you. Sorry, I just copied the last agenda and didn't make all the necessary changes, but you get the idea. Read chapter 6 and read that New York Times v. United States case. Okay? That's it. There's nothing new as far as the announcements goes. We're just one day closer to our exam as far as our in-time class goes. And a reminder that that's May 3rd, which seems like a long ways away, but it'll sneak up on us quick here. Okay, I'm going to try to end the video short and sweet, hopefully. And hopefully we see you guys live today. And I hope you guys you had a great break and that you're having a great day. All right, see you guys. Peace.